Have you ever wondered how machines learn? How do they recognize patterns, make decisions, and predict outcomes without any explicit programming? Well, let's unravel this mystery. Welcome to the fascinating world of machine learning, a branch of artificial intelligence that's revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Machine learning, in its essence, is the process of teaching computers to learn and make decisions from data, much like how humans learn from experience. But how does this work? The process can be broken down into 4 simple steps. First, there's the data input. This is the initial phase where the machine learning algorithm is fed with data. The data can be anything, from images and text to numerical values. This data serves as the raw material for the algorithm to learn from. Next comes the training phase. This is where the real learning happens. The algorithm sifts through the data, learning patterns and relationships within it. It tweaks its parameters iteratively to minimize errors and improve its performance. Think of it as a student studying for an exam, absorbing knowledge, and improving with each practice test. After the training phase, the algorithm is put to the test, quite literally. It's subjected to a separate dataset to evaluate its performance. This stage ensures that the model can generalize well to new, unseen data. It's akin to our student sitting for the final exam, applying what they've learned to new questions. Finally, once the model proves its mettle, it's ready for the real world. It's deployed to make predictions or automate tasks in various applications. From image and speech recognition to fraud detection and autonomous vehicles, machine learning is making waves across industries. Now, are you wondering how to jump aboard this exciting field? There are various reputable certifications available. Google's TensorFlow Developer Certificate, Microsoft's Azure AI Engineer Associate, Amazon's AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, Coursera's Machine Learning Specialization, and IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate are just a few. These certifications involve coursework, exams, and practical projects that equip you with the skills and knowledge to excel in machine learning. So there you have it, a peek into the intriguing process of machine learning. It's a journey of data transforming into knowledge, algorithms evolving with experience, and machines learning to make informed decisions. All this without any explicit programming. Machine learning is not just a technological revolution, it's a testament to the marvels of the human mind that made it possible.